Hi mom and dad. I'm going to be showing you my prototype. So our playground is too loud and should not be that loud. This is a problem because when the kids are yelling and the staff members are outside, the sound can hurt their eardrums. Also, the sound from outside can get inside to the building and classrooms, causing the children to have a hard time to learn and focus. Outside next to the climbing toy, we test the volume that it was 102 decibels. And we test next to the spinning toys that it was 122. And we all know that that's really loud. In a video measuring sounds, we learned that a volume over 85 dB and can and if you were out hearing volume over 85 dB for 20 minutes, it can cause hearing loss. So what my team did to try to make the sound go down below 20 dB was, since soft materials make sound travel slower than hard materials do, because soft things absorb sound and hard things make sound move around, making more sound. We used cotton balls and glued them to the walls. We used fluff to cover the floor because the buzzer was put on the floor, and that made the sound go down by 2. When our group tested without the cotton balls, we tested that it was 91.5 decibels. And when we tested with the cotton balls, it was 89.3 decibels. So I think that all of those soft cotton balls absorb all of the sound. I think that if we had time to add more soft things, we could have reduced the sound more or to go down. The materials that we should have used were felt, more cotton balls, stuffing, and some styrofoam. Bye! That's all. And here is my thing. It's very big. Bye, Mom and Dad.